here's exactly how to add captions in Clipchamp, step by step. Now let's use this video as an example. So go to the top right corner, click on captions, click on try now, and here you can choose the language in your video. So you can see that it has almost all languages over here. Now I'll click on transcribe media, and now Clipchamp is going to generate captions for this video. So it's done. You can see we now have the video transcript. Now let me play the video and show you what it looks like.
Who are you talking to right now?
So you can see the captions appears in the video. Now you can also click on it, and from here you can change the color of the captions. You can change the font. I can also change the font size. If you look on the right side, you can do the same thing over here as well. Now there's also advanced. You can add an outline and you can add a drop shadow to your captions. So let me continue playing the video to show you what the rest looks like.
Who is it you think you see? Do you know how much I make?
So that's how to add captions in Clipchamp.